Hello, everybody. My name's Stu. I'm one of the private tutors over here at PrepAgent.com. If you don't know who I am, I would suggest you head on over to PrepAgent.com, sign up for one of our premium memberships because you'll be able to see me and all the other instructors that we have on our weekly webinars. And we offer private tutoring with myself and all the other instructors, along with crash courses that could help you understand the material more clearly to help you pass that exam. Now, I'm going to answer for you one of the questions that I get asked all the time. Stu, could you explain the difference between void and voidable? So, I'm going to make it really simple for you. So there's a couple of rules and a couple of things that you need to remember. The first is that when we're discussing the words void and voidable, we're discussing contract law. Now, on your exam, they may very well be talking about real estate contracts, but they might just be talking about contracts in general. So we have to remember the things that make up an essential contract. What's going to make a valid contract? That's going to be consideration, lawful objective or lawful purpose of the contract, offer and acceptance, and competent parties. If we lack any of those, the contract is going to be said to be void, which means that you cannot perform on it. You can never, ever act or execute the contract. No matter if everyone agrees to it, no matter if anything, if it's missing any of those, competent parties, legal objective, offer and acceptance, and consideration. Now, a voidable contract is going to have all of those. It's going to have competent parties, legal objective, offer and acceptance, and consideration. That's where it varies from a void contract. Now, a voidable contract, though, will have one of the parties either underage, under duress, which means someone's like pointing a gun to their head, or undue influence, like there's some sort of unnecessary pressure involved. That would mean that that party who was put under undue influence, duress, or under the age, except for California students, you want to remember that any contract that is with a minor is actually illegal. It doesn't meet the legal objective in California. But for every other state, this is going to be 100% valid aside from the minors portion. So, again, a voidable contract is going to meet all four of those essential elements of a valid contract. Competent parties, legal objective, offer and acceptance, and consideration. It will just have one of the parties being either a minor in every state but California, under undue influence, which is like pressured, duress, someone's holding a gun to your head, okay? Then in that case, that party would be able to void the contract. If they don't, it is a valid contract and you could go forward with it. So I hope that helped you out. Remember, hit that like button, hit subscribe, and I'm going to see you all real soon.